In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount code to your Payhip store. If you want to run a promotion, reward loyal customers, or simply encourage more sales, creating a coupon code in Payhip is a quick and useful way to do it. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can set it up with confidence. To begin, go to your Payhip dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your store, products, and marketing tools. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're on the dashboard screen before moving on, since that's where you'll be able to access the option you need next. From the dashboard, click on Marketing. This section is where Payhip keeps tools related to promotions, sales, and customer incentives. If you're trying to grow your store or create a special offer, this is the area you'll likely come back to often, so it's a good one to get familiar with. Once you're in the marketing section, click on Add Coupon Code. This will open the coupon creation area where you can set up your discount and customize how it works in your store. Now, you'll need to edit the details of the coupon. This is the most important part of the process because it determines how the discount will appear and how customers can use it. Here, you can enter the code itself and configure the settings associated with that promotion. As you fill this out, make sure the discount is easy to understand and matches the offer you want to run. It's also a good idea to double check your entries before creating the coupon, especially if you're planning to share it publicly with customers. After you've reviewed and completed the coupon details, click on Create Coupon Now. This final step saves your coupon and adds it to your Payhip store so it can be used according to the settings you selected. And that's it. Your discount code is now created in Payhip. If you plan to use it in an email campaign, on social media, or during a limited time sale, it's worth testing it afterward to make sure everything works exactly as expected. That simple check can help you avoid confusion for customers and make your promotion run more smoothly. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add a discount code to your Payhip store.